Hey guys, Godrci Grai here with Dragon Masters, bringing you something of a little bit of a different video. Today, I am on my way to Indianapolis to spend the weekend with Sir Dekland. Gonna be learning something I've wanted to learn for a really long time. This weekend, I'm gonna be learning how to sew, garb, and make a tunic. So I wanted to bring you guys along for the journey. Let's get to it.
You're going to put these pieces matching up to right here. What we're going to do is we're going to sew from this point up to here, and then from this point up to here.
Okay.
Okay. Then after we do that, we can film the next part.
Okay.
Here, like we did on the first ones. Okay. Holding that down. Just double check right here. I start from the bottom on this one. Over to surgery.
Alright, so I'm back home in Kentucky and I want to take a moment and show you what I made this weekend when I was with Sir Dekland. Had a blast and really learned a lot. You see, I had tried to make some tunics in the past and I had watched a lot of videos, but I'm more of a hands-on learner, so I needed someone to show me how to do it. So Dave was making a tunic, Sir Dekland was making a tunic, and he would show me a step, and then I would do it right behind him. And I ended up making a hood and a tunic. So let me turn this around and we'll show you what I made. So here is the hood and the tunic that I made this weekend. And so it's made of linen, which was really fun. I've always been scared of using linen just because it's so expensive, but with Dave's help, was able to do it. The hood is two-color. It's got some stripies there in the back. I don't know if you can see that real well. And then we come around here, and I'll flip it up and kind of show you some of the things I learned. So we used a serger, which is something that is new to me. I've never used a serger before. And so using the serger was really interesting and really helpful. And then you can see there we went through and on everything we did a top stitch, which I had trouble with the top stitch a couple of times, ended up messing it up and had to get the serge or the seam ripper out. One of the harder parts that I thought was really fun to learn was how to do the neck hole here. And so being able to go through and do that, and on this poor green sleeve over here, I messed up and double serged it and then had to take it apart and redo the sleeve. So the sleeve here took me longer than anything else. The sleeves were the hardest part, but still there, got the serged, and very, very happy overall for the first tunic that I've ever made out of linen, and really the first tunic that I've ever made that I think will last for a long time. I was pretty dang happy with how it turned out. And that wraps up our first edition of the Godrci Grai vlog, where we went and took a look at how to make a tunic. And you guys followed along in my journey as I learned a new skill set that I had wanted to learn for a really long time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps. Make sure that you stay tuned for more content. We'll see you next time.